Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are cooking a bright, colorful and super flavorful Thai Cashew Chicken. The kind that hits you with aroma, crunch and pure comfort in every bite. It's quick, it's delicious and it's one of those dishes you will want to make again and again. Let's begin. Start by preparing your sauce in a bowl. Mix half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. We will use it soon. Now heat 1/4 cup of oil in a pan and fry 1 cup of cashews for about 3 minutes until they turn golden and slightly crispy. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Take them out and set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and half cup of diced onion. Saute for about 2 minutes. Then add 500 grams of chicken cubes. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes until the color changes. Next, add 1/4 cup of diced green capsicum, 1/4 cup of diced red capsicum, 1/4 cup of diced yellow capsicum, and 1 sliced red chili. Give it a quick mix. Then pour in the sauce you prepared earlier. Let it cook for another 5 minutes so everything blends beautifully. Finish with 1/4 cup of green onion. Add the fried cashews back in. Mix well. And that's it. Your gorgeous, flavorful Thai Cashew Chicken is ready. Serve it hot with white rice, sprinkle a little onion on top and enjoy every delicious bite. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.